think it's a beautiful day, bro. You got yourself a beautiful boat right here. So let's do whatever it is you need to do.
One of the greatest things about being over at Oceanside for me now is the ability to be able to hold bait. Bait for me makes my world go round. What I'd like to do today is, I obviously moved to a new marina. I've just put my bait cages in the water yesterday, and I'd really like to see how the bait's gonna survive in here, what the mortality rate's gonna be. You know, I wanna pen some bait up. When I take clients in the boat, I need something to put on the hook. So for me, having the ability now to be able to hold and pen baits is a huge advantage. I think we'll just start right out front here, pop around to a few of these rock piles, look for some herring. There's so many different kinds of bait we can catch down here. Pinfish, the herring, cigar minnows, ballyhoo, pilchard, speedos, they're goggle eyes. You know, it's one of the few places that I've been where we have so many different varieties of bait. A little early yet for the herring, but I think the water temperature's come down enough. In the past, when I've penned bait, I've had to keep it at other people's houses where there's good water flow. And that's just not convenient. It's not right next to my boat. I'm marking them really good on the triple beam, actually.
Blue runners.
The blue bomber.
I think so. Giving me all I can handle.
We always put at least one blue runner in there. Oh, those look like little guys around them.
What's that? Yeah, those some nice little ones there.
Look, a couple. I'll take some of those little pearly ones. Different species like different baits. I feel like that's why we have so many different species down here, and that's why we're able to catch so many different species in a day.
Here we go, coming in.
Look at you.
Oh man, one at a time.
Nice fat herring there. So these sabikis are a little longer than.
Plenty hooks on them. Oh, I got
there
two.
You go.
Got two. Hang on.
I got a triple header.
What?
The other thing is, if one bait's not working out for you, you have alternatives. If you could have one bait, Tony, what would it be? This yellowtail?
Yeah, a 7-inch yellowtail.
I'm gonna have to go Spanish sardine. The other convenient thing for me is, if I know the day before I struggled to catch bait, it is so nice to be able to grab the pen, crank it up next to the boat, and throw a dozen baits in the boat. Just have something in the boat already that I know, hey, look, if all else fails, I have bait in the boat. This is why right here, right? So you have this bait, look at the profile of that bait. You know what I mean? You have such a beautiful bait and these big scales too. You throw it in the water, some of the scales come flying off, which I love that aspect for bottom fishing. But you also have a big enough bait, you could slow troll it behind the boat, you can fly them in the kites, you could do anything with them.